Hello world, this is Krishna. I've been working with a close friend of mine, Atul, for a couple of weeks now, and we have been working on something that we think is extremely cool. We have been working on building a platform that we call Phasor. Phasor is a backend building platform with minimal code, and the way it works is typical to how Webflow works for front end. So we have a drag and drop interface over here. We have a lot of these modules that we call nodes. These are pretty much the minimalistic components of backend systems. So for example, this node right here is a HTTP in node. What this allows us to do is create HTTP endpoints on which we can host our which can be used as entry points for our microservices. And each a lot of these things have already been set up, like there are nodes for interacting with your MongoDBs, there are nodes for interacting with your Amazon, AWS services like S3, SQS, and all of those. Everything has been set up over here already, and this enables us to this in our experience have we have found that this enables us to create backend apps 5 times faster than what we it usually takes us to code them up. And yeah, so in this video what I'm going to do is we have a front end setup over here already, and this is a basic front end. This is a front end of an app that we are calling Phasogram. This is similar to Instagram but a pretty minimalistic version of it. It has some basic functionality, like it allows users to sign up, it allows users to log in into their signed up accounts, and then it allows ones to upload images, and it allows one to view all the images that they have uploaded. Yeah, so that's pretty much what all this basic app covers. And in this video what we are going to do is we are going to upload a lot of these we're going to build APIs to support this front end, and we are going to do that through Phasor. Yep, so let's get started. The first thing we'll obviously need is the user auth module. So let me just replicate that over here. All we need to do to create a user auth module is set up your HTTP in things, and in HTTP in, what we want over here is post and accept file uploads no. What we want is user sign up, and that's it. And now what we are going to do is we are going to take that and put that up in a MongoDB. So we take that over here and we just put as it is to this, only save, and collection we want to store to users connection, and that's it about for that. And then what we want next up is if it completes, we want that to come over here and give a HTTP response. So let's try that. Wait, this is this, and let's actually make that 2 because we already have one. So yeah, and if it completes, all you want to do is give out 200 response, so that is taken care of now. So this is done. This is all we need to do for a user sign up. And now let's also do a user sign in before we actually check this. So yeah, HTTP in, let's get our HTTP in node to start everything. We'll make this user login to, and then that's it. We'll let this also be a post request, and yep, that's it. So what we'll need to do now is get the MongoDB query the MongoDB. If the user is present, we are going to return it. If not, then we are going to do a fail. So after this, what we need is a HTTP response thing, and yep, pretty much that's it. So you do a HTTP response, and then whatever is over here, we return that as it is, and that's it. So this is all it takes to set up this page. And in this page what we are going to do is we are going to do Atul at let's actually create a new user. So let me check what the new users thing is, and then we can go with that user dash sign up. So let's try that, user dash sign dash up. Let's do a login to one of the already created users. Let's do this guy. Let's check out this guy. It says test@gmail.com. Let's just copy this, and the password is obviously test, and let's try that. Test@gmail.com. The password is test, and logging in. So we have logged in over here. There are no posts. So what we are going to do now is start allowing this person to create their posts. So for doing that, what we are going to do is create a way for them to upload their posts. For that, what we need to do first is create a new flow, and in this flow what we are going to do is we are going to let them create posts. So we need to set up a HTTP in thing as it is, get this guy to post, and we need to allow file uploads, and then we are going to say post image 2, and that's it. And now what we need to do is we need to upload whatever they have uploaded to an S3. But before this we also need to do a transfer operation. So a switch is a change thing actually. So once you get the change in, you need to do this stuff. So set whatever is in the messages payloads files of 0 dot buffer to payload, and that's it. Now we can connect this thing to this, and voila, that's it. And we also need to put this in MongoDB, so let's put that in MongoDB as well, and these two are connected now. So now that these two are connected, what we need to do is, now that the S3, we actually need to use the S3 out, so let's use the S3 in, and yeah. So by that we need to use S3 is an S3 yeah, this is what we need to use over here. And now that we have set this up, that's it. We need to set a bucket over here, Phasor test bucket, and that's it. So once these things come up, you get image over here. Now we can upload images. Uploading images is pretty cool. We can upload something like test.png, snake view, and that's it. This thing has been uploaded and it will start showing up over here pretty soon as well. So let's try uploading something else. Let me upload Naruto. This is like Naruto for the win, and that's it. And these images start showing up over here. So that is pretty much what we have been doing with this, and we can also set up a debug thing over here to see how this works, and debug, we can pull this out, we can do a, whenever this thing comes out over here, we can do a message payload, and similar to this guy, whenever these things happen you can start cleaning them out, so it will also start coming over here. So pretty cool. We can upload our images, and that's pretty much that I want to show for today. Thank you.